Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to the Enrollee Portal. And when we log into the Enrollee Portal, I'm going to show you all the features that are on the portal and how to make use of these features and the functionalities too. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have the login page. You have some content on the login page, then you have the login form. So here we have the policy number. You are required to input your policy number as well as your password before you can log in. So I'm going to input my policy number right now. Yeah, so I just input my policy number. Now I want you to look at the format. So you need to look at the format. NHA-697677227349. Now look at this format. You will notice that there's an hyphen after the A. Before the digits, there's an hyphen. So if you try logging in like this, it will not work. If you change the hyphen to underscore like this, it won't work. So it has to be with hyphen. So now the hyphen is there, then you can click on login to log into your portal. So if the login details is correct, it will take you straight to the dashboard. Now the login details that we use is correct, and right now we are seeing the dashboard. Before we go ahead to talk about the content of this dashboard, let's quickly check through what we can see. When you log in, the first thing you will see at the top right is your name. Your name should appear at the top right, and your picture, your image should appear right here. But if you did not register your image, or you are yet to upload your image with Novo, you are not going to see your image. You are only going to see the image we use as placeholder right here. Now when you click on this icon, that's the drop down icon. The drop down icon should show you the profile. It will show you three different navigators. The first one is profile, the second one is change password, and the third one is logout. So as you can see right here, profile, change password, and logout. So if you want to edit your profile, maybe you want to see your profile and you want to make some adjustment to the profile, you can click on the profile navigator. So it will bring you to the profile page. Now the profile page, you will see your image, you will see your name, your policy number, the plan, your plan, and you will see a button that enable you to add dependents, and you will also see quick actions, quick links to medical history, appointment, refund, and support. So when you click any of them, it takes you directly to those pages. Now here you will see here you can use this to make specific requests. Like if you want to make specific requests, you use this. You can use this to view your ID card. So if you want to see your ID card, you use that. And this is where you have for your information, your name, your date of birth, your marital status, and so on and so forth. And if you go down, you can actually see your dependents. You can see your dependents right here. Now if you want to edit any information, you can click on this edit button. When you click on edit button, it will allow you to edit some of the informations you have there. First, you can change your email address, you can change your address, you can change your phone number, you can change your states, you can change your local government. Now if you want to change your state, when you pick your state, it will change the local government available. So you have to pick the state first before picking local government. You can change your marital status, and your occupation. You can change your occupation. What else can you change? You can change the providers where you can access care. You can also update your so those are the things you can actually change. And when you are through, you can, like, save them. When you are through, when you have changed everything that you wanted to change, you can actually save them and move on. So that's for this. Now is the second one is, I've mentioned that you can actually add dependent from here. So the other one is changing of password. So if you want to change your password, so you will still come back and click on this drop down icon and click change password. So it will show you your current password. So you can see my current password here. So, and you have to be very careful when you are using this, so that someone else, although you are about to change the password anyway, but if you know you are not changing your password, you don't want to come here, because someone that is passing by can actually see your password. So now I want to change my password, because now you have seen my password and I need to change it so that you won't log into my account. Yeah, so I have input the password and I have confirmed the password. So I will click on updates. So now the password has been changed and I was logged out. Now let's log in again and see if the password I changed is valid. So my policy number, okay, I need to re-enter this password to be sure. Yeah, so the password was changed successfully. So that is how to edit your profile and how to change your password. Now back to the dashboard. On this dashboard, you are going to see the current date. You are going to see a button here, verify visits. So if you want to go to the hospital to access care, this is where you generate your verification code that you can take to the hospital. So when you click on this button, verify visits, it will show you this. From here you can actually pick the name of the hospital where you want to access care. If the name of the hospital where you want to access care cannot be found here, then it means you have to reach out to Novo. So you input the name of the hospital. This is an auto complete form field. So as you are putting the name, it will show the details. For example, I want to access care at Novo. So once I put Novo, it show me the name. Let's see. You want to access care at Ikeja, for instance. Once you input Ikeja, it will show you all the hospitals that are at Ikeja. So you see, you just input Ikeja. So it will show you the hospitals around Ikeja where you can access care. So you can put the name of your town, the name of your village, or the name of your immediate environment, so that you can get the drop down of all the hospitals around that your immediate environment. So then once you finish selecting the hospital where you want to access care, sorry, let me put Ikeja again. So I want to access care at Ikeja. So you put the name of the hospital, Ikeja. Now the next thing is the dependent. If you are generating the code for your dependent, just check this box. You see the dependent field is currently empty. That's because this box is on check. So now check it. So once you check it, it will populate the names of your dependents. So right now we have only two dependents here, this and this. So you can pick any. But if you are generating the code for yourself, you don't need to pick dependent. Just uncheck this and click on verify visit. You only need to check this if you are generating the code for any of your dependents. So that is for verify enrollee. Now if you want to see all the codes that has been generated, all the verification code that you have previously generated, click here. It will take you to the page where you will see all the Apoyo verification. So that is for that. Now here we have some summary. We have the total number of dependents, the total number of refund you have requested for, the total number of appointments you have booked, and the total number of active complaints that you have sent to Novo. So you are going to see the summary right here, and if you want to see the details, just click. Like now, if I want to add dependents, I can click here. If I want to see all my dependents, I can click here. If I want to add appointment, I can click here. If I want to add complaint, I can click here too. Now this one is the policy information. So this one is a summary of your policy information. The policy period for this particular policy, that's my policies between January 1st and December 31st 2026. This is my policy number. This is the coverage type, Azul family, and primary provider. This is what I have. Then on the right side you will see recent medical history. So that is the 3 latest medical history that you have. You can see them here. And if you go down, you will see your appointment, recent appointments. So recent appointment, you can see them here, and you can click here to see all. This one is your benefit utilization. So as you are using your benefits, this will show you the utilization. So currently now pharmacy is using 10% of my benefit utilization. I can click here to view in details, so you can actually see it here. Now here we have quick actions, that's quick links. So with this you can see your ID card. If you want to see your ID card, with this you can book appointments, and with this you can actually see your health vitals, or you can add your health vitals. So let me start from view ID card. So when you click here, it brings you to this page where you can see your ID card. It's digital ID card. You can download it, you can also print it. So that is for that. Then book appointment. When you click here, it takes you to where you can see all your latest appointment, and you can book new appointments. So that is for that. Then here you can see your health vitals. You can see the history. So this is my health vitals. So all this information are just tests, they are not real data. So, and then you can see all this information. If you like, you can actually add a new one. So you are expected to add at least once in a day. You add new health record. So you can add new vitals. Just click on record vitals, then you input this information and save them. So for you to record the health vitals, you need your blood pressure machine, as well as other equipment that you can use to obtain the health vitals and input them right here. So that is for that. So let me go back to the dashboard. What else? So I think that is all about the dashboard. So those things you can do on the dashboard, you have seen that. So in the next video we are going to be talking about medical history. Thank you.